everyone, it's me Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to do a little review on a mini palette from the 2020 Too Faced Holiday Collection. So the palette is the Salted Caramel palette, which I'm wearing on my eyes today. The outer carton, the outer carton looks like this, and pretty. And then the inside is the tin packaging, and it just pretty much looks the same. There's the inner packaging. So this is really, really cute. I have the two gingerbread palettes too, and I just stuck my fingernail in one of the shadows. And a lot of people probably would say there's like a lot of overlap. Here's what the Salted Caramel palette looks like, or caramel, whatever you want to call it. And I wouldn't necessarily say it smells like caramel, but it does smell sweet. This is what it looks like. And a lot of people would say that you could probably find some overlap in these two gingerbread spice palettes. But I actually sat down and I went through each color in here and I swatched the colors that looked similar in these palettes. And although they look similar, they're not identical dupes. You could probably get similar looks with them if you search through this palette and look through the colors here. But I just wanted to pick this up because I thought it was cute for travel and stuff. Not that anybody's going to be traveling, not that I'm going to be traveling anywhere anytime soon, but I thought it would be cute for travel purposes. So you get 8 colors in here. 4 of them are matte, and we have like 3 shimmers, and then we have one that's like a matte with sparkles in it. And I would have to say that if you go to put that on your eyes, the sparkles will probably blend out. There is a color name that is the same. It's called Drizzle It in here, and that is the exact same name as a color in the extra spicy palette, but this is Drizzle It here. It's a matte color. And then Drizzle It in the, I think it's the extra spicy. Yeah. Drizzle It is this one right here. So it's a shimmer shadow. There are some similarities between these two if you look at them. But like I said, there's not anything that's like completely 100% the same. Even like the shimmer shades, or sorry, not the shimmer shades, the white highlight shades, like the creamier highlight shades, they're slightly different in each palette. But anyway, we're going to go over this one today, and I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Too Faced, like I said, they're holiday sets. They do put out the cardboard ones, but they mass produce them, and they're sometimes made over in like other countries, and they're not as good. This one, it was made in the USA, I believe. I'm not going to be able to read that. I can't even see it. It's like Jeopardy. Do 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 do. Anyway, I can't find it, but these the formulas in the tin packaging tends to be the best from Too Faced across the board. Like I hate the peach palette, the chocolate bar palettes. Like they're all good quality. So these little mini ones usually don't disappoint either. I had no issues blending out these colors, and the pigmentation was fantastic on them as well. So, like I said, it doesn't actually smell like salted caramel. It smells really sweet, but it doesn't smell like salted caramel. Okay, so let's go across the top from here to here, and I'll tell you the colors if I can read them. We have Ooey Gooey. You know what? I have them written down in a book instead of me trying to read them like a blind bat. We have Golden Sugar is the next one. Drizzle It and Caramel Apple across the top, so going this way. And then we have Butter Me Up right here on the bottom. We have Soft and Chewy. We have Toffee, and we have Make Me Melt. So those are the colors, and now I'm just going to swatch them for you guys. So Ooey Gooey, Golden Sugar, Drizzle It, and what was the last one? Sorry, Caramel Apple is that one that looks matte with, oh no, I just swatched one over the other. Professional swatcher at work here, guys. Okay, let's see, let's try that again. Okay, so we have, make sure my finger's not wet because then I'll get hard peeing in here. We have Drizzle It, and then we have Caramel Apple. So those are what those four look like. And I will swatch them on my hand for you guys. You're probably not going to see the cream one because it just blends in with my skin tone. I do them this way so then you guys can see them in order. So there's the top row. Ooey Gooey, Golden Sugar, Drizzle It, and Caramel Apple. And as you can see, the Caramel Apple, you can't really see the glitter in it that much, so I think that would just blend out in your crease and the glitter wouldn't be there. Alright, so we have Butter Me Up, Soft and Chewy, Toffee, and Make Me Melt. Butter Me Up, Soft and Chewy. What did I say the next one was? Toffee, and Butter Me Up. No, Make Me Melt, I'm sorry. I did it again. What is wrong with me? I keep swatching one color over the other. I'm having a bad day today for swatching. Okay, so Butter Me Up, Soft and Chewy, Toffee, and Make Me Melt. So there you go. There's all 8 swatches. Now, the only complaint I have is that these here 2 shimmer shades, this one and this one, which are, Golden Sugar down here and Butter Me Up right here. They kind of look similar. They're pretty close. They could have done something a little bit different there, I think. But who am I to complain? Some of these matte shades kind of swatch a little bit close as well, but you know, it is what it is, and I think it's a very pretty palette. I'm happy with my purchase. This retails for $36. I bought it at Sephora in Canada. I'm not sure how much it is in US, I'm sorry. I think it's about $27, I think. Don't get me wrong, don't quote me on that, or $29, something like that. But maybe if you missed out on these because they're limited edition, these have like similar color scheme to it. So maybe you want to pick this one up. This is also limited edition. It will only be available probably this Christmas, and then usually they sometimes go on sale after Christmas if they have some stock, and then, you know, then they're pretty much gone, because last year they had the hot buttered rum one in the mini palette like this, and you can't buy that anymore. So I was just kind of thinking too, I recorded my favorite fall eyeshadow palettes, and this one's in here already because I know I'm going to be using this a lot this fall. And then when I was going over them, the Huda Topaz palette, and I just want to look and see if there's any similarities between the two of these. And they're definitely... Okay, are these Huda palettes magnetic? Yeah, it has a magnetic closure because it's sticking to the tin for the Too Faced. Now, if you look at the two of these, you can see there are some similarities. So technically, I guess I didn't really have to buy the Salted Caramel palette because there are a lot of similarities. Like, okay. Yeah, there's definitely duplicable colors. I'm not going to sit here and swatch them and play with them, but if you look at those two together, you can definitely see there's some similarities in some of the shimmer shades and some of the matte shades as well. So that's kind of interesting. I might sit here and play with these and just see, but I think maybe if you have this one, you don't necessarily have to buy this one. So this one was a gift, though. I bought this one with my own money, so I'm okay with that. I have a feeling I'm going to be going through these quite a bit this fall. I have to bring out, like, I have to switch all my makeup out anyway. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. I typically upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next video. Bye, everyone.